Hello, Virgo. Thank you so much for joining me today on Fortune's Wheel Tarot. I'm going to do a quick read for you today from the Akashic Tarot. I offer this for the highest good to benefit the planet. Release me from any blocks and restrictions. May this serve all who need. Spirit and angel guides, keepers of the divine white light, keepers of the Akashic records, ascended masters. What are the messages for Virgo today, please? Messages for Virgo today, please. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for Virgo, please. First card out, the King of Roses. The next card is the Eight of Forces, the Lightning Bolt. As I said, I am doing a quick reading today. I won't be reading the entire message from the Akashic Tarot. You can let me know in the comments if you prefer that. I know some people like a short reading, so I'm just trying to change things up a little bit. The Akashic Force is all that I'll be reading for each card. And this card, the Akashic Force reads, "Close your eyes and step into the robes of the King of Roses. You are the king of family, home, and community. Feel a sense of care swell within you. What would you like to bring to the world around you now?" The next card out for you is the Eight of Forces. Forces in the Akashic Tarot deck actually correspond somewhat to wands in the traditional Rider-Waite. Eight of Forces, the lightning bolt. Imagine a lightning bolt striking nearby, leaving some destruction in its wake. Now close your eyes and with a deep breath, feel the energy of lightning stir within you. It's almost as if the finger of the divine is yours to employ. How do you want to direct this energy in your life? I'm going to pull a card for you now from the Chakra Wisdom deck. Spirit and angel guides, what is the chakra message for Virgo, please? If you have any blocks in your chakra, particular body issues, hopefully these will come out at this time and tell you what needs unblocking, what chakra wisdom that you can focus on to release those energies and open those energies. Thank you, Spirit and Angel Guides. Chakra message for Virgo, please. The fifth chakra, throat chakra, truthfulness. Of course, the color for this is green. Actually, that's not correct. It's blue for a throat chakra. This card has sort of a blue-green tint to it. The fifth chakra is associated with the throat, with your mouth, your teeth, neck, ears, your upper lungs, shoulders, tongue. It's all about communication, your willpower, truthfulness, setting boundaries and expression. And this card reads, fifth chakra, throat chakra, truthfulness. I am truthful and honest with myself. I aim to overcome any fears about speaking my truth. I speak in a loving, considerate way. My personal empowerment comes from telling the truth and letting others know who I am. Others will be positively uplifted when they hear my truth, and I take care not to exaggerate in order to impress them. I am careful not to let my mind mislead me and, in turn, others. I avoid gossiping or speaking negatively of others. I just want to look back quickly at the Eight of Forces, the lightning bolt, Virgo. For some reason, I'm drawn to look at that Akashic force again. These cards and the colors of them particularly draw my attention, and perhaps some type of truth that you are desirous of sharing. There's fear of a lightning bolt or a tower moment, perhaps, associated with that. And there is a need to overcome fears about speaking your truth, truthfulness. The lightning bolt card actually shows that a time of splitting apart, a time of loss, disappointment, or even a metaphorical death. You may be feeling wounded, grieved, or gravely disappointed. The loss could be a career opportunity, romantic relationship, partnership, creative project, or a friendship. At first glance, the event may seem sudden or unexpected, but in the light that flashes, we see the deep puddles of a storm that has been going on for some time. You've probably been aware of the threat or difficulty at some level, even if you were unwilling to acknowledge it before. Now's the time to accept the situation and not fight what's so. There is benefit coming, but it often takes an ending to bring forth a new beginning. I was getting the feeling and image of a tower. And sometimes it takes a storm to cleanse the field. So again, the Akashic force for this card: imagine a lightning bolt striking nearby, leaving some destruction in its wake. Close your eyes and with a deep breath, feel the energy of lightning stir within you. Perhaps that lightning is your ability to speak your truthfulness, to use your throat chakra, to open your throat chakra. It's almost as if the finger of the divine is yours to employ. How do you want to direct this energy in your life? Of course, it's always important to speak with love and with truth and positivity. But speaking your truth at the most basic level can be very important to you right now, Virgo. And I have Virgos in my life. I know it's very difficult for some of them to express their truth because they don't want to cause pain to others. And they're worried about what others may think of them expressing their truth, or being angry at them for expressing their truth. So it's important for you, obviously, to aim to overcome your fears about speaking your truth, as this card says, and do it in a loving and considerate way. That's the only way to be truthful to yourself in this life, Virgo, is to speak your truth in a loving and compassionate way. I know Virgo as a sign is to serve. That is your purpose, is to serve in this life. And sometimes you have to take care of yourself first, right? As difficult as that can be, you have to be able to take care of yourself in order to take care of others. And you cannot fill from an empty cup. So I hope that message was helpful to some Virgo out there. And blessings and love and light to you for opening your throat chakra and for speaking your truth. I would like to pull an oracle card from you from the Universe Has Your Back deck. What is the oracle message for Virgo, please? Oracle message for Virgo. I am a spirit having a human experience, and I'm here to get closer to love. I would like to close your reading with a message from the Miracles Now affirmation deck. For any Virgo out there who may need a miracle now, what is the affirmation for Virgo, please? Affirmation message for Virgo, please. Forgive my tongue-tiedness, Virgo. What is the Miracles Now message for Virgo, please? Thank you, Spirit and Angel Guides, for these beautiful messages for Virgo. And as I'm sitting looking at these cards, I have to mention, I'm drawn to the color of these cards as well. You have the blue throat chakra, definitely the colors of that in your message, Virgo. It's definitely a strong theme for you right now. One final Miracles Now message for Virgo, please. I can find peace in every breath. That is a beautiful message, Virgo. I hope that you have enjoyed these messages today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Love and light.